if you're to date somebody from the Bible, who and why?
So, of course, Jesus, because he's good, he's kind to other people, and I think he's a very, 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 very good person. Yeah.
I think I would go with Noah because God saw him as a righteous man, and even though the whole world sinned and did bad things, Noah was the one who listened to God, followed his calling, and was righteous.
I think I would choose Maria Magdalena because she has an interesting story in the Bible, and she's part of the disciple group, or she's not one of the disciples but the group, and she's one of the first witnesses of Jesus. She's one of so there's an interesting story. She's friends with Jesus, she's close with him, so maybe I could be close as well.
Abraham. Abraham, because Abraham even did his father, and Sarah was her half sister. So Abraham, why not?
Okay, so subscribe to KGL channel, leave a comment, you know what to do. Yeah, kva är det tutan